Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to concatenate here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Smartsheet, concatenating allows you to combine text from multiple cells into one cell. This can be useful for creating full names from first and last names, generating custom identifiers, or merging other types of data. Now, I'm working on a specific file, but I highly suggest you create from scratch because my file that I'm working with is a little bit cluttered. So I'm going to the home page. Right now, I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna click on this button to start a new project, program, or process. I'm gonna click on it. I'm going to create a grid. And I'm going to rename it as this one. That. Now I'm going to put in some entries here. For example, this is gonna be deep. This is laughs. Going to insert another column to the left, just in text and number. Going to put in some right, and I'm going to maybe something like this. Now here's what you can do. I'm going to add another column here on the right side. There you go. Now I'm gonna delete that. So now we are going to join these two cells. Now I want to combine these cells and the cells below. Now, I want you to type in the equal sign and click the cell that you wanted to join together, and that's going to be deep. And of course, hold the control button and laughs. All right. Type in, press enter. Now, why is that? Because we did not put a plus sign in between. There you go. Press enter. Okay, and then from here, after putting in the plus sign, press enter, and we have that. Now, we can do that as well on this cell, right? Again, press the equal sign, click the how to concatenate, and then the next, put in the plus sign, and then the in Smartsheet, and enter. There you go. But the problem is they don't have the space in between. And I wanted to have a space in between. You can't manually do it because it's in formula, right? So how do we do it? Now on the formula, after the plus sign, put in the quotation marks, space, quotation marks, and press enter. And then put another plus. And that's that. You can do this again on the below cells. Again, quotation marks, and then a plus sign, and press enter. You see that? If you wanted to, of course, combine all of this, that's going to be the same process. But basically, that's how you concatenate here in Smartsheet. As you can see, using concatenation to create communication templates or standardized messages, ensuring consistent and clear communication. And if you use this effectively, you can streamline data management, enhance reporting, and improve overall organization within the Smartsheet. Because combine fields to match the format required for importing data into other applications, concatenation is required. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.